Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you how to download and install Microsoft Access. But first, check the special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you want to download and install Microsoft Access in your PC, well, the first thing that you may need to understand here is where do you download it and what part or what package is it actually part of. Now, the thing with Microsoft Access here, this is actually part of Microsoft 365's bundle. Now, if you want to get the latest version of, in this case, Microsoft Access, you need to get the Microsoft 365 plan. Now, they do have like a monthly and a yearly plan in here in order for you to actually get Microsoft Access. Now, how do you get started? Now, typically, you can just type in Microsoft 365 in your browser, and typically, you'll be able to access the first link here for Microsoft. Now, if you access that, you'll have the option to either sign in or try it for free. Now, if you want to try it for free and just give it a go first, you go and click on try it for free, and just basically uh follow the on-screen steps. Now, typically, you can just click on start your free trial here and agree to a few things in order for you to start your free trial. Now, if you do have already a plan with Microsoft 365, you can just directly go to office.com here and click on either sign in or buy 365. So either way, so let's go and click on sign in here and just sign in into our account. Now, once you've logged in, you just need to go to the top left of your screen and you want to go ahead and click on expand navigation. Now, in here, you want to look for the app section. Go and click on apps. And inside the app section, you want to go and click on install apps at the top right here and just choose the option that says install Office. Now, once you do click on install Office, it will ask you which language you want to use in here and which version. So in this case, you can go and just fill that up. And from then on, the Office installer would be downloaded into your PC. Now, the Office installer here would include or allow you to choose which apps that you want to include, like Word, Excel, and even includes Microsoft Access. But yeah, so you go and just run the installer and you should be pretty much good to go. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.